Hi, Peter Dirun here, your emotion management coach. In the last video, I introduced you some very interesting ideas about stress. I hope you have watched my previous videos in this series. For today, I would like to show you and answer the question, so what can you do when you are in a state of stress? Well, I like to suggest three key practices that you could look into doing. You can try them out and see which one works for you. Okay, the first one is what I call thought arresting and re-scripting. Thought arresting and re-scripting. What do I mean by that? Many a times how you think is what encourages or produces that state of stress. So what you could do is to arrest what you are thinking. Look at it, evaluate it, and then rewrite it, change it, re-script, make a new script for you to think. Okay, let me give you an example what I mean. For example, when you have a problem in your relationship with your girlfriend or boyfriend, husband or wife, lover. When you have a relationship, you sometimes can end up in a state of stress because you think the problem is very difficult, cannot be solved, and because of that you may break up, you may get a divorce, and this perceived threat, perceived danger is what brings you into a state of stress. So what can you do? First, arrest what you are thinking. So maybe what you are thinking is, wow, this problem is so difficult, I'm sure there is no solution, and this means the relationship will be over soon. Okay, if that is what you realize you are thinking, you've arrested it, you've looked at it, now the question is, can you re-script? Can you change what you have been thinking and believing all this while? So maybe you can say, wow, this is a difficult problem, but I believe other couples have also this similar problem, and because of that there could be some solutions, either from good books or maybe from what do you call this, a relationship coach, and then you will say, and because this is a difficult problem and my partner is willing to work with me, this does not mean divorce or breakup is the result. This could mean an opportunity to work together and become stronger as we find solutions. You see, just by choosing to change what you believe, just by choosing to re-script what you have been thinking, you could lower down or even diminish to a large extent your state of stress. That's the first way. The second way is to do what your body actually wants to do when it is in a state of stress. If you watch one of my previous videos, I said when you are in a state of stress, there are two things your body may want to do: fight or flee. Fight the danger, overcome the difficulty, or flee, run away from the source of danger, run away from the problem, run away from the place of the person who's part of the problem. See, there are two responses, that two choices you usually have, and because of that you could actually do that. Now, coming back to my example just now, you have a relationship problem and you are experiencing stress. Maybe what you could do is fight the problem. You actually decide to buckle down, you decide to work hard, find a solution, find help, and fight the problem till it's solved. That's one way. Or you could choose to flee. You could choose to time out from your girlfriend. You could choose separation for a temporary period, or I don't encourage it, but you could choose to divorce. So that's either you're fighting and overcoming, or you're fleeing and releasing yourself from the problem. But another easier way is your body now is in a state of stress. It's ready to fight, literally fight. Your muscles are tense, your hormones in your body are flowing. You're ready to strike, to hit. So why not strike and hit? Yeah? Go for a run. Take up some kind of sports where you got to kick, where you got to hit, and just release this. Some people just shout out aloud, but whatever it is some kind of release where your body is tricked into believing that it is actually physically fighting. And when that is done, it will be at ease once your activity is over. Choose a healthy, safe activity where your muscles work hard, where you breathe hard, where you are able to shout aloud, something like that. Or you can choose to flee. And what is flee? Run away. And you can actually literally do that. Go for a jog, go for a run. If not, walk briskly somewhere. Yeah? Especially somewhere where you feel safe, where you feel comfortable, where you feel, it's so nice here. I enjoy taking brisk walks in the park, for example. And that will give the impression to my body that I'm fleeing. And not only I'm fleeing, but I'm fleeing to somewhere safe. And so it's tricked into believing it need not be in a state of stress anymore. Okay? And the last way is for you to go social. When you are in a state of stress, your body is actually ready to get help, ask for help, allow others to come in to be part of your salvation, part of your problem-solving solution. So I will suggest two possible ways. One is go and seek social contact with people who you feel comfortable with, people who you feel loved with, people who you feel encouraged and you feel special with. Spend a little time with them. Just walk away and go and see them, sit with them, talk with them. I know in this time of COVID or this recording, that may be a bit difficult, but find ways where you can actually see somebody, interact with somebody, and this person is somebody who makes you feel good, somebody who makes you feel loved. And just share and talk. You don't even have to talk about your problem, but just be in their presence, relate with them, and that can really help. The other way is to go and get support. Start looking for help. None of your problems is unique to you only. There are people who are trained who can help you. There are people who have been in a similar problem or situation that can help you. You could even contact me as a coach where I can work with you, partner with you to walk through this stressful situation and help you to find a solution which will bring freedom from stress. So these are three ways I have suggested. I hope you can pick up some of them, try them out, modify them a bit. But in general, the idea is, first and foremost, have a look at what you are thinking. Secondly, get your body involved in doing something. And lastly, don't go at it alone. Find help, find support, interact with others who will benefit your life. Hi, Peter here. Thanks for watching my video. Now remember, please press the subscribe button because I want you to enjoy all the other videos that I am preparing for you. Also, press the like button. At least I know you like the video. And very important is if you could turn on the notification. Now, if you do that, every time I upload a new video, you will know about it and you can enjoy another good video from me. Also, I would love if you write a comment. I like to interact with you. I like to know what you think. So say something in the comment section. Lastly, if you like to chat with me, I always give a free Zoom session for anyone who would like to chat with me to get some information or to help them out initially. So looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for pressing that subscribe button.